game. It's a rich thing.
From the A, you so lame, and no one here even mentions your name. It must be the way, it must be, cause you be poppin', heard you get it poppin'.
Hey y'all, we are back with another wig review, unboxing, and install. And today we are working with UNice. Y'all know this is a company I work with very often. So let's jump right into this unboxing. They sent me a robe this time, which is actually really freaking cute. I'm actually going to be wearing that around the house. Love that. And then this is the package, the wig, the goodies, and they gave me this little thing to see the difference between normal knots and bleach knots. And they use patented Bye Knots technology to make their wigs look very realistic. Love that. They gave me HD wig caps as well, the UNice melting band, some UNice stickers, and also some UNice press-ons, which I need to put those on because I have so many from getting so many UNice packages. Like I'm definitely gonna wear those. Those are so cute. And then this is the unit, y'all. This is a Bye Knots water wave unit, and it is glueless, and this is the band to put in the back of the wig to tighten it and adjust it to your head. And as you can see here, those are the Bye Knots. Okay, it's giving very much scalp. This is what the texture of the hair is looking like out the box. It looks a little rough out the box because once I installed it, it was so much prettier. That is the closure, y'all. And this is a 7x5 glueless invisible knots water wave wig from UNice. And the link to shop this unit will be down below in my description, so make sure y'all check that out. This unit is also available on Amazon as well, so definitely check out the links in my description box. And let's jump into this install. I'm just throwing this wig on straight out the box. I didn't do anything to it at this point, just to show y'all what it looks like. And I mean, honestly, not bad. Like, ooh, I just love me a wig, y'all. Actually, I think at this point I did put makeup on the lace, so right here I am just going to go ahead and start hot combing this wig flat with my Renutrients wax stick and my hot comb going in sections. So y'all, this side is done. Look at the difference. Yeah, hot comb, I'm gonna do it every time, but I think I need to pluck this a little bit right there, even though it doesn't look bad. But yeah, you can definitely see the difference in how this is flat. This side just giving, it's just giving like that girl.
It's not a game. It's a rich thing.
Okay, and I went ahead and hot combed the other side of the wig, and this is what it turned out like. Super duper flat. And I was kind of just parting out like a part in the back as well to make it lay super flat in the back and like not have it looking, you know, I was just parting out like a line so that you can like clearly see the back from the front, and making sure to make that super flat as well. Okay, because just because you can't see the back of your head don't mean everybody else can't see it. So right here I am just parting out some baby hairs and then continuing to kind of hot comb hair out the way, and then hot comb baby hairs in the direction that I want them to lay. This to me just makes it a little easier to lay my baby hairs. You don't have to do this part by any means, but you know, I just do what works for me. All right, y'all, so now I'm just taking this, the Fantasia Holding Spray, and definitely just burnt myself right there. So yeah, just do what works for you, because sometimes I just be doing dangerous stuff, y'all. You don't gotta do what I do. All right, let's get into the flatness. This actually turned out kind of cute. So once I cut the baby hairs, I'm just curling them up right here so that we can lay them down. And I'm using some mousse to do this. just looks so pretty right here to me, y'all. Like, honestly, I would go out the house just like this. Like, it just kind of gives like a natural curly, like, you know, like a natural look. You didn't try too hard. I just love curly hair so much. So I did end up sweating down this hair so that I can define the curls. I do that with all my curly units, to just define the curls, to really like get the real curl pattern, because that just is really gonna bring it to the next level. Like, that was cute before, like the way it looked at the box, but I always define my curls and brush through them really good, because it just really takes it to the next level. Like, yeah. And then right here, I'm just trimming the ends a little bit. I didn't trim off much. The hair is pretty much still the same length. Just kind of trimmed it to make it a little bit more blunt, even at the ends, because that's how I like my units to look. I did add a little bit of layers in the front, like literally at the end of the front. I just put a little bit of layers right there. I think I'm going to show y'all in this next clip, actually. And right here, I'm scrunching up the hair, because that just brings the curls to another level. Like, I always scrunch my hair, and like I said right here, just taking off a little bit at the ends, just so it has a little bit of shape and frame, because I did want this hair to be long for the most part. I love the length of this hair. And again, scrunching those curls, and this does make a difference. Like, all that water on your hair, when the curls down, scrunching it definitely does make a difference. And you're just gonna see when the curls are dried, like, they look so freaking pretty. Like, it was crazy. Alright, so the install is done for the most part, but there's still like a ashy line. So I'm gonna put some more makeup on this and try to like make this ashy line disappear. I don't know why the wigs always do that, but we just gonna put a little bit of makeup on there and we're gonna get that right together. And what I'm gonna do is take something darker, since this is like looking white, and I already did put makeup on the bottom of the lace. So let's just try putting something darker on the top. If that don't work, we're gonna put something even darker than that. What do we think? That's a little better. I think that looks better, but I'm gonna put a little bit more of a darker shade. But that's tea. We just gonna let this hair dry, but this is tea. Yeah, water wave eats down. At first I was like, I don't know. I'm gonna use a little bit of this to help melt it. And this is really still glueless, but this needs a little bit of help. Concealer on the middle, and it's really that simple, y'all. Real quick and easy. Right here on the middle. And we're gonna clean that up, of course, but that's it. Gotta love UNice. We're gonna take a little bit of mascara and put it on these parts where we kind of overdrew the concealer. But I mean, this is tea. Like, let's get into it. Yeah, very much that girl. And y'all see how that just gets it together. And I'm actually gonna draw it in a little bit more right here, where I might have put a little bit too much mascara. But that's pretty much it, y'all. Like, this texture is actually really cute. Boom. Y'all, this hair is so freaking pretty. First of all, look at the curls on here. When I got this unit and this said water wave, I really thought this was going to be more so wavy. But when I say water wave, this is what I'm talking about right here. Like, this really gives like loose wave. Like, it don't give like that little... Some of the water wave don't really be given, but this right here, no, this is some water wave that I would buy with my own money. I'm telling y'all, for real, for real. I'll actually buy this with my own money. I'm keeping it real with y'all. I would actually buy this because this is like, this texture is actually pretty. Like, it dries so pretty. And hold on, let me make sure this is water wave first of all. Hold on, y'all. TAF, y'all. Like, curl pattern eats down, installation easy AF, no plucking, no bleaching, y'all, no plucking on this unit, no bleaching. I didn't cut anything, and this is literally the hair. All I did was put water on it, no products, water, and I let it air dry. Look at the curls. Yeah, curls for the girls. Let's get into it. Put a little bit of baby hairs, nothing too crazy. And this is definitely super cute. I will be keeping this unit for myself. Sorry y'all, I'm not selling this one. This hair is just so pretty, y'all. Like, I just feel so cute with this wig. What can I say? What can I say? This hair is just so pretty, y'all. Like, I can't get over this. I keep trying to close out the video, but I can't because I keep filming more and more clips with this hair, and I keep trying to close the video, but it's just so pretty. Look at this. Look how pretty this is, y'all. Literally about to wear this tomorrow to the gym, out and about, running my errands like this. Yeah, this is just so tea. Like, UNice just always, yeah. You know, at first when I first got this wig, it was looking a little skimpy and like a little thin, and it's still not like the fullest wig ever, but it dried very pretty. I can't say that. And boom, y'all, that is the end of this install. So thank y'all so much for watching this video. If you made it this far in the video, and if you made it this far in the video, comment down the water emoji for this water wave wig and a white heart. Water emoji and a white heart, just so I know that you made it this far in the video. I would really appreciate it. And again, thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure you like this video, comment any questions, comments, concerns. Let's chit chat in the comments, and make sure you subscribe for more content just like this and more. I love y'all so much. Links to this hair will be down below in my description box, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.